Hello, this is Jackie Wilson, the real estate startup coach, coach for success. Today we will talk about direct mailing. That is when you make direct contact between you and the seller of property. And when you make direct contact, that will cause them to come back or contact you directly as well. That is the most effective type marketing that there is things. And the way that we do direct mailing, we do it on a postcard because a lot of junk mail will get thrown away. But on a postcard, what you're going to put, I'll buy your house fast, and I'll buy it with cash. You put that on that card, and you'll have more phone calls than you can do anything with. So direct mailing is going to be one of the ways that you're going to do that. And you'll do that with printed brochures. Get some brochures printed up. You'll do that with cards. You'll do that with door hangers. And if you do that, the seller will contact you back. Now, in our course, we talk about what to put on those cards and what to write on those cards because the most important thing for you is that you write a message that the people want to hear. They're not too excited about hearing about how large your company is. They're not excited about how many houses you purchased in the past or about how much a hero you are. What they want to know is what you can do for them. And so you're going to get a card or a brochure, and that whole thing with that card or brochure, you're going to be telling them how you can benefit them.